Picture with them? Here, hold this.
Thank you.
No problem.
Why? You don't have to hold them like that.
I know.
Let go, Hannah.
Okay. Careful, there's a step. Is there another step or slope?
You got her.
But the food is coming up.
You're so close.
I know, I'm trying not to be so close. Oh god, there's a bunch of children.
Ah! Yeah!
Can we get a selfie?
Do you guys want me to take a picture of you?
Oh, they got a selfie.
Oh, they want a selfie?
Thank you.
Let's get, come on, let's go. Squat up, squat up. Squat up, no.
Hey, can you jab?
No.
Dab, dab. No. No. Dab. Yeah!
Need some water?
Oh, you didn't know what it was, is that why?
Yeah, I know.
It's okay. It's fine. Let's go.
Your nose is so...
Huh?
He almost hit me with his nose. You need to learn to maneuver that.
It's hard. You don't know because you don't.
Do you guys want to take a picture? High five. All right. Yay. Thank you.
It's okay. Let's keep walking.
What if I touch them?
We have a high five? Thank you. No problem. Bye.
This is so silly. I love this. It's so hard to like record and walk at the same time.
Thank you.